The process begins with pre-processing equipment, which is responsible for cleaning and preparing the raw materials. This stage involves removing impurities, cutting or grinding the materials into smaller pieces, and sometimes heating them to prepare for rendering. The rendering equipment follows. After rendering, the animal fat needs to be filtered to remove any remaining solids and impurities. Filtration systems are designed to achieve this, ensuring the product is as pure as possible before moving on to the next phase. Refining machinery then further purifies the fat by removing odors, colors, and additional impurities. This step is critical for producing animal fats suitable for various applications, such as food, cosmetics. Finally, the refined animal fat is processed through packaging equipment, which packages the final product for distribution. This equipment ensures that the product is stored and transported safely while maintaining its quality. Together, these components form a comprehensive and efficient animal oil production line, capable of handling large-scale operations with precision and consistency. By integrating advanced technology and adhering to strict quality standards,